Man says we gotta get this pad done within 48 hours because Americans are sending us some howitzers.
Ooh,
all right.
nice.
Let's do it.
So, what brings you guys to Ukraine?
Well, I was a equipment operator by trade, and I couldn't stand to just sit on the sidelines and watch Russia do what Russia does. So I joined a tank battalion in 2022, and one thing led to another, and now I'm here fighting for Azov, building artillery.
I'm the team medic, I guess. Me and this guy were in the African Black Ops together for the Army Rangers. Same platoon. I got fed up with watching what's going on TV, same as him. Also getting fed up and getting old and fat, so decided to come here. What fun it is.
We need to get some security. Can you guys go full security over there?
You regret coming?
Not enough to leave.
You know, it only takes 1 second, one bullet.
You trying to spook me or yourself?
Just saying, the moment you blink, it's all over. I mean, it's probably something stupid too, like a kid with bad aim and a Mosin or a ricochet or something.
Толстокни. Ти их видиш.
I used almost that whole mag, dude. That was crazy.
Sure was.
That was a 40 rounder too. First time you got shot, dude?
No, first time in the leg though.
Yeah.
You're lucky you missed the bone. Not quite so lucky you got shot at all.
I blinked.
No such thing as a clean day out here. You made it back. That's what matters.
Oh shit, dude. Now that I think about it, I left the keys in the truck.
Да.
Let the concentrate in the truck. Oh, they left the keys.
Alright, I'll send the drone out in the morning. You guys need to get some rest, especially you, Randy. Gotta get this drone up. Jake, you're right, it's gone. We're sitting ducks without that. We need to go get it. Oh, I see it. 2 clicks east. We need to plan fast.
All right, dude, let's go get it.
All right, I'll go with Jake. Randy, you need to stay here. You guys are our backup. Stay on the radio.
That dirt road's pretty exposed. You guys better be ready for a fight.
All right, we will. Let's keep our spacing, Jake. No mistakes.
I'll try to keep it that way.
All right, let's move out. Eyes sharp, comms tight.
I used to think medics had it easier. You're not shooting, you're not choosing.
That's a lie. Every time I don't save someone, that's a choice. It sticks with me.
War isn't about the battles that you win, but more about who makes it out alive.
I carry every single face I couldn't help, and each and every voice I couldn't save.
I envy you sometimes. You patch people up, hold them together. I'm just trying not to break.
Every life I save reminds me of the ones I didn't.
Makes you wonder if we'll ever get out of here. Maybe it'll end. We'll all get out in one piece, maybe.
I couldn't tell you.
You think it ends with us making it back home?
I hope so.
You ever miss it? Flying those birds over Iraq and Syria, the MQ-9s, right?
Yeah, the Reapers. That's a whole different war up there, controlling the fight from thousands of feet.
Yeah, I get that feeling. I was a construction worker, moving thousands of tons of dirt and steel every day, driving big rigs and bulldozers. Really felt like I was building something back then.
Yeah, for sure. No, I kind of similar upbringing. I was doing a lot of landscaping when I was younger. Yeah, similar roots in earth and big machines.
And look at us now. We're here trying to wrestle a truck back in a war zone.
Yeah. You ready for what's coming?
Yeah, should probably quiet down. We're getting close. Piece of shit.
3, 2, 1, execute. Romeo 2, this is Romeo 1. We need backup immediately.
Radio.
Come in, Romeo 2. They don't hear us. Kind of surprised.
You still haven't finished that pad. You up for it, Randy?
Oh! So, why didn't you guys respond to the radio?
Technical difficulties.
Jake, stay tight. Jake, stay tight.
Blooper, blooper.
Keep that shot rolling.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, quiet.
Maybe, but every life I didn't. What was the line again?
Rolling.
Maybe, but every life I don't save reminds me of the ones I didn't.